it's me Bhavyashree. In this video, we'll be seeing the chemistry lesson number 1, Introduction to Chemistry, continuation. Now let's see in the last video we saw the applications of chemistry, importance of chemistry, and the types of applications in chemistry. We saw food and agriculture, we saw about fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides. We saw food and processing, preservatives, food preservatives, clothing, medicine, industries, cosmetics, building materials, and fuel. In this video, we'll be seeing recreation, chemistry, and energy sources, and the dark side of chemistry. Shall we go into the lesson? Yes, sure. Now let's see the recreation. Chemistry plays a vital role in many good recreations. Sports goods are made from rubber, leather, plastics, metals, and fibers. Substances from photograph films are gifts of chemistry. To use adhesives such as glue and tapes also incorporates chemistry. So the recreation of chemistry is a vital role in any mode of recreation. Sports as good. It makes things of rubber, leather. Chemistry has recreated a lot of things. In sports, it has recreated a lot of items were made of rubber, leather, plastic, metal, fibers, etc. Like the recreation of chemistry is the chemistry plays a vital role in the mode of recreation. It has been recreating a lot of things, and the photographic films are the gift of chemistry. Now let's see chemistries and energy sources. The energy source of the world are mainly petroleum, coal, wood, and nuclear fuels. To conserve fast depleting resources of coal and petroleum, attempts are being made by chemists to utilize and alternate sources of energy. Solar energy, ocean energy, and biogas, which are exotic sources, are being studied under chemistry for future energy needs. Thus, the process of human race is dependent on the chemistry. It involves a lot of chemical research and utility in industries. In other words, due to chemistry, the world economic has improved, in which turn has raised the living standards of people. So the chemistry and energy sources, like the many energy sources of the world, mainly like petroleum, coal, wood, and nuclear fuels, are being conserved very fast. So chemists are trying to recreate them, and they're studying them, how the biogas is created, how the energy source, ocean source, how all these things are created, and they're trying to recreate the same. The chemists are trying, and the progress of human race depends on chemistry. So if the human race should go in progressing and increase, then it depends fully on chemistry, which turns that people raise the living standards of people. So chemistry also raise the living standards of people. Now let's see the dark side of chemistry. The knowledge of chemistry has given us many useful products, which has made our day-to-day life very convenient. But it also have given rise to some life-threatening substances which were misused and can cause very harmful effects on human beings and the society. Some of them are the following. So, the dark side of chemistry. Chemistry owns us a lot of gifts, cosmetics, which makes a lot of things that made our day-to-day life very convenient. But some people misused it and did some collaborations which made the dark side, like chemical weapons, addictive drugs, and pollutants. Let's read about them detailedly. First, let's see chemical weapons. The development of deadly explosives like TNT, RDX, atom bombs, hydrogen bombs can cause massive destruction. Although some explosives can potentially contribute with the national defense, their application must be avoided. All the things that I've said, RDX, TNT, and bombs and hydrogen bombs, they can be like a national defense, but they should not be used. Their application must be avoided. They can be used in wars or by national defense, but not by us just playing with them or throwing on them for revenge. So these can be really harmful and cause great destruction. Now let's see addictive drugs. Addictive drugs are nothing but it's something that when you consume, you go hallucinating or you just crave for it more. Let's see what are they. There are many harmful drugs like colon, brown sugar, heroin, angel dust, etc. So angel dust is like, it's not dust from the angels, no. It's like a powder which is like when we breathe in, we start hallucinating, seeing things and getting scared of the things we are seeing. And brown sugar is not the brown sugar that we use. It's a type of drug. When you consume it, like if your favorite food is a cake, when you consume it, it tastes like a cake. It makes you like eat it more and more and more, which can harm your health. So it's not the brown sugar that we use like in a day-to-day life. It's a type of drug which is dangerous to us. Now let's see the pollutants. Pollutants are normal nowadays due to the factories, the toxic waste, the radiant waste are killing the poor sea animals, ocean animals, and they're dying because the radioactive material is spreading its wide chemical toxic water which is killing all the sea life. I am so scared that by 2050 or if in the future there won't be any seas remaining because of all the waste. Many harmful substances are called pollutants like poisonous gases, smokes, water products, etc. are produced due to various industrial processes. They cause pollution in the air, water and soil, resulting in many diseases of plants, animals and human beings. Not only is it hurting us, only the plants and animals, it's also hurting us because it is releasing poisonous gas. When we breathe in, we are getting problems like asthma and a lot more. We are getting breathing problems due to the factories that are like leaving all the smoke outside, and it's also hurting our environment. And it's also if you're using ACs, hear this out. The AC produces a chemical called as chlorophyll. When the chlorophyll is extracted out of the room, it makes a hole on the ozone layer. Scientists are discovering that there was a small hole opening in the ozone layer. As we are using this more and more and the pollutants are harming, our ozone layer can be lost, which can cause all the UV rays to come and damage our skin. Where if the UV rays touch the ground, there will be nothing but destruction, because UV rays are really radioactive and they're very dangerous. Due to radioactive UV rays, even the oxygen levels will go up, which can also cause us. You might be thinking, oxygen, it helps us to breathe, why would it kill us? No, oxygen is very radioactive. You know why the oxygen helps in the process of burning? Because it's radioactive. Its radiance helps the fire to burn, and the nitrogen and all of these also help to control it. If the nitrogen, hydrogen, other gases were not present, then the oxygen would have just be spreading all its fire all over the world. So pollutants are very harmful. Please go less pollution, and if you're going alone, use a bike or a cycle if possible. Don't take cars, which can cause a lot of traffic and also block roads. So please try to, okay, I'm not telling just go and save the world. Do as much as you can possible. Save the water plants. Even if you see a small sapling, go and plant it. It can grow into a big tree that is going to save you. It's not going to save us or anything. It's going to save you because it gives us oxygen, which can actually save you. So if you plant a tree on your birthday or on special occasions, make this as a trend, okay? Keep a plant or plant a plant. It's a really good, and it is also a really fun way to enjoy your birthday or special days, okay? So save water and save the earth. Now let's see a full forms of a few words. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Now let's see DDT, dichloride diphenyl trichloride ether. BHC, benzene hexachloride. TNT, trinitrile toluene. RDX, rapid denotating explosive. RDX is nothing but like even the smallest of fire, even oxygen also touches it. If the smallest fire, even when you on the light, there will be a small flick actually. If you on a switch, even the small flick can cause a destruction. That is how like rapid, like those bombs that are thrown in the wars and everything. RDX is like contained in that, and gunpowder is also very dangerous. So now let's see a few benefits and gifts of chemistry. Now let's see the agriculture industry. We already learned, it's a small recap, okay? Let's see. The agriculture industry gave us fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, fungicides. Actually, I'm not telling they're really healthy. You know what? Whenever you cook, the vegetable peel or the fruit peel is there, no? Store it in a box or a pot of soil. After containment, it can be really helpful, okay? And also, biogas is also made in that way. The gas produced from the natural contaminant is called biogas. A lot of people are trying to save biogas. Maybe it can help in the future, but use natural things. Don't go like to chemicals, which they can also affect plants. They're not 100% good. They can affect our plants. Now let's see food industry. Food processing, food preservatives, food coloring, artificial food flavoring, artificial sweeteners, salt production and processing. All these are really bad. Food processing. You can just buy a potato instead of buying a chip, because a chip, even a small chip that you're eating, is coming from a potato. It's processed, it's cut, it's fried, seasoned, packed with air, that nitrogen that keeps it there, and even you have to check the expiry date before eating it. Instead of all this, just buy a potato and make french fries at your home. Don't eat processing food, and preservatives is really bad. Food coloring is nothing but food coloring is not that harmful, but it doesn't mean you eat it daily. And artificial food flavorings, like when you buy M&Ms or a chocolate is not really sweet actually. A natural chocolate is there's a cocoa, it's like a fruit. It tastes like mango. It's like a cocoa plant. You have this cocos and you have to like take the seeds, dry them. After that, you grind them with butter. That's how natural chocolate is made. They're actually selling cacaos. So you like try them once. If they can eat the raw seeds also. It will be very nice. It'll taste like a mango. So don't go with these artificial sweeteners, salt production and processing. Processed food is never good for your health. Maybe sometimes is okay. Pharmacy industry. Medical drugs like antibiotics, anesthesias, etc. Vaccination and surgical materials. Don't think drugs are not these addictive drugs like angel dust, sugar, brown sugar. No, they are drugs which are good for our health. Drugs don't go to the dark side. Come to our side. Drugs are nothing but like that tablets you take, and the medicines that you're taking, the good medicines you're taking, it's actually called as drugs. Nowadays people are just overtaking them and just making them really complicated. That alcohol that people are drinking and going crazy about, in the olden days it was actually a medicine, but people started overtaking it and made it a really bad thing. But in the olden days, if you had any problem, they used to give that only. Now let's see the mineral and petroleum industry. Extraction of metals from minerals, construction tools, machines from metals, refining of petroleum to produce gas, diesel, LPG, CNG, kerosene, paraffin wax, etc. Production of gasoline, hydrogen fuel, etc. So all the things, minerals and petroleum industry, nothing but the gasoline, petrol, and the building materials that are not that harmful. They are just used to build our houses nowadays. But a fact, in the first era, they used to take the mud, and they used to mix it with water and make clay bricks and stack them together and let it dry, and that is how houses were made. There were no cement, no mortar, no bricks, nothing. They only took mud and made houses with them. Now let's see cosmetic industry. I don't like talking about cosmetic industry. When you wear cosmetics, you're not just yourself. You're just showing the world how you're beautiful. Don't think you should go beautiful. Just be your way and you'll be super beautiful. Don't wear talcum powders, all the skincare, all of these. Maybe some people have medical conditions and they can use this optional. But don't wear over makeup, wear lipsticks and everything. Just a small bindi, a powder, and something just will make you so cute and look beautiful. Don't go with all these lipsticks and everything. They'll just make you overlook. Okay, don't go with all of those. And soap industry, the face wash, toothpaste, body wash, soaps that we use, and example Lysol and Harpic, cleaning agents. And textile industry, that fibers, clothes that we are wearing, mostly those are the benefits and gifts. In this, the only thing that is bad is the food industry, because I'm not telling the food is bad, I'm telling the way the food is consumed by us. So maybe try to reduce food processing, go healthy, eat healthy, and eating once a while is not gonna hurt actually. When you eat daily, consuming a lot of things daily can actually hurt you. So consuming once in a while is not so good. It's good, but I'm not recommending to consume it every time. So that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next class. Oh yeah, I forgot actually. Let's see the book back. Sorry guys, I forgot. Now let's see the objective type questions. First one. TNT is used as a explosive. It's also a rapid denoting explosive. Even though it's the full form is RDX, but they both are really dangerous explosives. Which one of the following is a pesticide? Benzoic acid, aldrin, sugar or gunpowder? Correct, aldrin. Mortar is used as a plastic material, building material, insecticide and medicine. It's used as a building material. Urea is an important fuel, fertilizer, preservative or food item. It's a fertilizer. The chemical prescribed by a doctor on the treatment of infectious disease are known as antibiotics. Antibiotics are like syrups or things that are given to doctors from I forgot. The doctors give to us to cure us. Like when we have high fever, they give us antibiotics. Why? The WBC, like the immune system inside our body, collaborates with the antibiotic and kills all the germs, which can make you feel better. Okay, now let's see, fill in the blanks. Dash deals with the study of matter and changes it undergoes. Chemistry. Dash helps the increase of production of food. Correct. Fertilizers. Food items like jams and pickles are protected by preservatives. Jams and pickles are optional, but don't take preservatives. Okay, they may stay good for long, but I don't think it's healthy to eat things that is like contaminated for a long period of time. Like make something, eat it fresh, store it for a few days, eat it, then you let it go. Even if it's good, let it go, because eating preservatives can also hurt us a lot. Now let's see, true or false. Chemistry plays an important role in our national economy. True. Antibiotics are used as preservatives. False. They are used as medicines. DDT is an important fertilizer. No, it's a bomb, I guess. Yeah, it's a bomb. Now, gunpowder is an insecticide. No, it's a rapid explosive. It's not an insecticide. An insecticide is a, comment down below what is an insecticide. Enzymes secreted by our bodies are chemicals. True. Now let's see, match the following. Now let's see column A and column B, then match them together. Column A, clothing, green evolution, building materials, cosmetics and daily uses. Next one, toothpaste, cosmetics, nylon, wool, agriculture, motor and cement. What is clothing? Nylon and wool. Green revolution is agriculture. Commodities of daily use is toothpaste and cosmetics that you use daily, right? And building materials are cement and mortar. There is one more. This is about scientists that I told you about. Let's see if you remember the scientists. Comment down below the answers. I'll read the questions. Marie Curie, John Dalton, William Ramsay, Sir Humphrey Davy. Remember these names. Next, safety lamp, helium, Nobel Prize winner 2 times, atomic theory. Comment down below the answers. I'll make sure to check and see you in the next video. Bye.